Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Hunting Sniper application for your iPhone. So let's get started without further ado. First, open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Hunting Sniper. Perform your search and then in the search result, click on this first game that you see from Team Simple. Hunting Sniper is a hunting game for iOS and Android where you and other players compete directly against each other to hunt and score the most points. To download the application, tap the Get button and your download should begin. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the application. And that is how you can easily download Hunting Sniper on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.